Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Okay, let's just see what we are gonna do in this video. We are done with the settings section, like we have said before, the backup, the archive. Check out the last videos if you haven't got up yet just yet. Now we are on the feeds section. Okay, let's open the designer, data, main UI. Okay, now let's do the fees. The fees section itself has 6 sections in the original program that I've showed you before, but we are not gonna do all the 6 sections in all this course, I guess, because the last 3 sections are about the invoices and making the invoices, and that was custom for the client that I was working with, but that's not the reason. The reason is just it's actually not necessary, because all it does is print the fees to the printer and have a record of that in the database. So that's that. So the first 3 sections are gonna have to have a tab widget. So let's get that tab widget, and let's have it layout as grid, and of course insert page after current page. And this is alright, let's name them property editor, tab 1, this is new all fees, this is a new fee, and payment. Okay, this new fees, I guess it will need a combo box, so let's get that. We will need a combo box and a button. Exactly, we are gonna need 2 combo boxes. And now this will change to fees or fee. The first one is gonna be the class, not class name. They're actually the same thing. And this is sort by, and we are gonna use these to sort our table that we are gonna create, or just get it from here. Oh, we already had them, but it's okay, paste, and let's make this layout grid. Of course, it looks nice. Now we have the enrollment number, we have the first name, or student name, I guess. Yeah, student name. Let's just have full name. We have the fee, the price. Oh, the price, and what else? You have the date, and this date, by the way, I just named it date because the user may use it to, for example, set it as the date it should be paid or the date it was paid. So if it's not paid, it should be the date that it should be paid on, and if it's paid, it should be the date that it's paid on. Alright, so it will be updated as that. So now new column, and this is called the status of this fee right here for this student. So enrollment number, full name, fee, price, date, status. Very clear. Alright, so now we are done with this first section. We have been recording for how much long? 5 minutes. We still have time to make the new fee. Okay, now we are gonna need something else, something different. We have not used this before, so we're gonna need a line here, a vertical line, and this goes exactly in the middle. Okay, so it's obvious that you are gonna have two sections, one to create the fee and one to edit the fee. We are gonna need some lines in here. And the label as well. So let's get a label. Label. This should be new fee. Copy, paste. These three need to be layout of horizontal, property editor. We need to horizontal center. Alright, amazing. This is amazing. Now what do we need to do is to move on to actually have something in here. We're gonna need some line edits. We are gonna find those in the settings. We're gonna need line edits. We're gonna need a lot of things in here. This is 1, this is 2, that's all. Here we're gonna need the same thing, the name and the price. We are gonna need some buttons, so this should be right here. Make this small. This should be the get. Let's name this the edit or update. This for the delete, of course. If you want to delete a fee, so if you have been just testing. Let's move on and open the property editor. Let's make this placeholder fee name, fee price, price, copy them right here. These buttons are still necessary, but we need a combo box above them, and that you'll get from here. The fees is called, you know what, let's just leave it. Okay, so and the date edit, which we are gonna find in the student, and it's right here. Should we select this one? No. Paste it right here. and let's have a default value for this one, and that is where is it? Default value, date, it's not 2000, it's 2020. Well, actually it's 2022 right now. Let's just have that. Let's have this. No, let's leave these two. Yeah, let's change this one for property editor. Okay, now what do we need else? I guess we have everything we need for the edit fee. So first of all, let me explain how are we gonna use this. So when operating with this program, we're gonna just enter the fee name, or open the combo box, select the fee name from it, get the data by clicking this button, and the data will fill automatically, and this needs to be here. Makes sense, right? Okay. We need a date edit in here as well, and another button which is called add. All of these things are self-explanatory so far. There isn't actually so much to explain. This is why 99% of first starters go to use Python. Most of things they use are easy. Isn't actually anything complicated. If you have problem with this, you're just probably, I don't know what to say, man. Okay, so let's make this 3. The layout of vertical layout, these two as well. Layout vertically, this thing as well. Layout vertically, this thing, layout vertically, this thing, and this thing, and this thing, or this whole thing, and this thing needs to be layout. No, let's not just do that just yet. Let's do this and this are layout vertical. This, let's select this and this and have them as layout horizontal. Select them with this one, make this layout vertical. Now select this and this, and let's make this layout vertical, and select that, and this one, and this one, this one, and make this layout horizontal, and make this layout grid. That's exactly what we want, but not as exact. We want this to have a minimum size of, whoa, we can't do that. Why is that? I guess this has a maximum size. Is that it? But yeah, it should have a maximum size, I guess. How much is that? Wait, let's make this 400 minimum maximum. Let's make this 480. You know what? Let's just leave this. Let's do the same thing for this one. Height or width, just like that. Let's hit save, exit, and let's preview what this looks like. Alright, it looks rather nice in here. So we have a combo box, 3 buttons. When we do something like this, it looks good. Yeah, it looks okay. And this section is also good. So now all we have to do is the payment section, and we have been recording for how long? So 60 minutes. That's enough. That's about enough for one video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.